How to transfer a balance to your Costco Visa card. Let's get started. Firstly, visit the website of financial institution that issued your Costco Visa card. Locate the login section and enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, look for options related to balance transfers. This could be located in the account dashboard under a Services or Manage Account tab or within the section specifically dedicated to credit card features. Select the option to initiate a balance transfer. You will likely be prompted to provide information about the credit card from which you want to transfer the balance. Enter the account number, the amount you wish to transfer, and any other related details. Before confirming the transfer, review the terms and conditions associated with the balance transfer. Pay attention to any fees, interest rates, and promotional periods. Ensure you understand the impact on your account. Once you have reviewed the terms and are ready to proceed, authorize the balance transfer. This may involve clicking a button or checkbox to confirm your consent to the transfer. Double-check all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Mistakes in the account number or transfer amount could cause delays or errors in processing. After verifying the details, submit the balance transfer request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the request has been received and is being processed. Keep an eye on your account activity to track the process of the balance transfer. Depending on the financial institution, it may take a few days for the transfer to be completed. Until the balance transfer is processed, continue making payments on your other credit card to avoid late fees or penalties. Once the transfer is complete, you should see the transfer balance reflected in your Costco Visa card account. Verify that the transferred amount matches what you have requested. By following these steps, you should be able to transfer a balance to your Costco Visa card online. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.